How to fix moisture detected error on Samsung. If any day you are a Samsung user like me and you face the problem of the moisture detected error on your very Samsung mobile phone and you are quite frustrated, do not worry as we have got the perfect solution on how you can solve that. For this, first of all, you have to go to the settings icon on your mobile device. After tapping on the settings icon on your mobile device, now you can see an interface like this. After seeing an interface like this, now you have to scroll down until you find the option of the battery and the device care, and then tap on the option of the battery and the device care. After tapping on the option of the battery and the device care, now you can see an interface like this. Now here you have to tap on the option of battery like this. After tapping on the option of battery, now you can see the interface like this. Now here what you can do is you have to just enable all of this, protect battery as well, and then you can just again disable it like this. Now here you can see the interface here. Now what you can do is you can go to the option of charging settings and you have to disable the fast charging here. And after you disable the option of the fast charging, now what you have to do is you have to just make your phone charge there in the charging portal. And after you make sure that your portal is charged, again you have to enable the fast charging like this. And you have to wait for a while and you have to turn your mobile phone off. And after you turn off your mobile phone and again turn it on after some while, your very problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.